In Holland, when there's ice, there's a pandemic of wrist fractures. If you break your wrist, you have two options. You could either choose for a cast or choose for this plate for an operation. The decision for conservative treatment or operative treatment is challenging for you as a patient, but also for us as surgeons. We have to advise on whether your fracture is stable, cast, or unstable, operation. And that decision, that probability of instability of your wrist is hard for us humans to do. We are biased. We are fast thinking. We'll make biased decisions on stable versus unstable. We need to augment our system to our rational thinking with AI. And in that way, with artificial intelligence, we can truly do practice shared decision making with you as a patient. I am Doornberg, orthopedic trauma surgeon.